Hi everyone, this is Brad. Did you know Quizizz has free printable worksheets? Kind of cool. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. You can see you can search for any topic in here by grade. I'm just going to click on this first one that comes up, which is number sense. You can see how many questions there are. You can see what grade and then how many times it has been downloaded. Now, of course, you can go through, scroll through, see the questions. Then you can download it or you can play as a quiz. You can see right in there. We're going to go ahead and just select download. When you select download, though, it gives you some options. You can shuffle your questions if you like. If you want answer key, comes up at the last page. You can make the font size a little larger or smaller. It's up to you. And then you have some more settings in here as well. Now, you can just go ahead, scroll through as we're doing in here. And then you can see your answer key in there. And then you can just go ahead, download it, and or print it. Now I'm just going to save it as PDF. So you can go ahead, save it, and give it just a second. And here it is. And there's your quiz all ready to go. So kind of nice to have that right in there. And again, the last page comes up with the answer key. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.